Learn French with Alice. Hi kids! What are the most common animaux de compagnie? Some people like to have un serpent. Oh, this scares me to be honest, but I guess they can be cute, sort of. Some people love them, so we might as well learn the word for them, right? Un serpent. S.e.r.p.e.n.t.
Oups, pardon, j'ai pas fait exprès.
Elle est partie. Where were we? Ah, yes, les animaux de compagnie. Well, there is one I particularly like, le poisson rouge. Now, technically, fish and poisson is the same thing. But gold does not mean rouge. It means doré. Rouge is red. Funny, huh? We French people think it's a red fish, poisson rouge. We spell it p.o.i.s.s.o.n and r.o.u.g.e. Poisson rouge. That's it for now. See you soon.